My dear children, so before going to bed, just listen. These 1 mark, 2 mark, even 4 mark questions also there. Just I read and listen. Least distance of distinct vision for young adult. Answer 25 centimeters. SI unit of resistance, ohm. SI unit of resistivity, ohm meter. Specific resistance, ohm meter. Resistivity, specific resistance, both are same, ohm meter. Change of focal length by ciliary muscles. Change of focal length by ciliary muscles. Iris controls pupil. Pupil are controlled by iris. Colored part of eye, iris. Which part of eye is donated after the death? Cornea. Cornea producing maximum focal length. Cornea producing maximum focal length. Myopia is short-sightedness. Myopia is short-sightedness corrected by concave lens or biconcave lens. For myopia, image is in front of the retina. For myopia disease, image is formed in front of the retina. For hypermetropia, image is beyond the retina. For hypermetropia, image is formed beyond the retina. Hypermetropia is also called as farsightedness. Hypermetropia, farsightedness or long-sightedness corrected by convex lens or biconvex lens. Dash can relax or contract by adjusting the size of the aperture. In the eye, what can relax and contract by adjusting the size of aperture? The answer is pupil. Pupil can relax and contract by adjusting the size of aperture. Causes for presbyopia. What are the causes for presbyopia? Presbyopia is due to aging. Due to aging and ciliary muscles weaken. And also due to malnutrition. 3 points for presbyopia: due to aging, ciliary muscles weaken, and due to malnutrition. And doctor advise 2D lens. Doctor advise 2D lens. What is the focal length? Focal length is equal to 2D lens means 100 by 2. 3D lens means 100 by 3. 4D lens means 100 by 4, that is 25 centimeters. 3D lens means 100 by 3, that is 33.33 centimeters. 2D lens means focal length is 100 by 2, that is 50 centimeters. Next, Raju suffers from hypermetropia. Distance of near point formula. A person suffer from hypermetropia. Distance of near point formula D is equal to 25F by F minus 25. Near point D is equal to 25F by F minus 25. Next, SI unit of power of lens. SI unit of power of lens is diopter. SI unit of power of lens is diopter or capital D. Next, minus 2D or minus 2 diopter means person suffer from myopia. Here minus for myopia, M for M, minus for myopia. Next, plus 1D or plus 1 diopter. Here The defect is hypermetropia. Plus means hypermetropia and minus means myopia. M for M, minus for myopia. Next, both plus and minus like plus 2D or minus 1D. The defect is presbyopia. మైనస్ అయితే మయోపియా, ప్లస్ అయితే హైపర్మెట్రోపియా. రెండు ఉంటే ప్లస్ అండ్ మైనస్, ప్లస్ 2D మైనస్ D, దట్ ఈస్ presbyopia. And some important points regarding hypermetropia. Due to focal length of eye lens too long, for hypermetropia is caused due to focal length of eye lens is too long, eyeball is too small. For hypermetropia is caused by focal length of eye lens is too long, eyeball is too small. Ball small, rhyming words. Focal length of eye lens is too long, eyeball is too small. For myopia is caused due to excessive curvature of eye lens. Myopia caused due to excessive curvature of eye lens and elongation of eyeball. Excessive curvature of eye lens and elongation of eyeball, that is for myopia. So these bits are coming